I'm always on the hunt for a new good ground beef recipe, and this one hits the spot. It is so good. Here's the most important step to this recipe. It's getting a nice fine chopped vegetable. So we want it nice and small. If you don't have an electric mixer or chopper like this, totally fine, but make sure you take your time and chop this up really nicely. It's gonna give our meat so much flavor. And from there, you can add just about anything. I'm doing some paprika, some pepper, some vegeta, and cumin. Cumin is like the most important spice out of all of this. It gives our meat so much flavor. It really enhances the flavor. So please don't skip out on that cumin. I'm using pita bread for this recipe, but any flatbread is gonna work. You can open it up. I typically just add the meat on top and then roll it up, as you'll see later on in the video, but whatever you like to do. And then I'm just going to evenly spread out that meat, making sure I coat everything. And I'm gonna add it to a pretty hot pan. I have it set at medium heat right now. And I'm gonna press that down lightly. You're gonna notice with some of them that the outer edge of the meat is going to get a beautiful brown kind of caramelized color, but that center won't. You can then just take a bowl like I do right here and kind of press it down so that everything cooks evenly. And then once I turn this over, you guys are going to see, you're going to get the most, like literally thinking about this, I'm drooling right now because it was so good. And then all I do is I just cook that other side for roughly like a minute or two, just to kind of reheat that pita bread on that other side. Then these are the ones that are ready to go into the pan. I'm adding some garlic spread and some hummus to this, and then a little bit of vegetables, but you can add just about anything. This comes together so easily, so just be prepared to like prep out your vegetables and your spreads before you start cooking them, because this goes by so fast. And there you go. There is my take on Lachmacun, one of my favorite dishes now of recent to make because it's so flavorful and just phenomenal. Thank you so much for watching Irma Sofra. Please be sure to like this video and comment down below. Bye bye.